Welcome to MySkillsFuture, a one-stop portal that supports your education and career guidance exploration. In this video, you will learn how to use the Administrative Tools module to manage users' accounts and download reports. The Administrative Tools module is available for MOE school personnel with school admin and class admin roles. Here, you can have an overview of your students' activity on MySkillsFuture. You will be able to check your students' progress on My ePortfolio as well as monitor your students' account status. There are two tools for class administrators: Account Management and Reports. The Account Management tool allows you to set a temporary access code, reset passwords, and unlock accounts for your students. To set an access code for your class, click on the Play button. Students will be allowed to use the temporary access code generated to access the portal. The temporary access code will expire in 1 hour or when you click the Stop button, whichever occurs first. You can also use the Reset Password or Unlock Account tool to reset passwords or unlock accounts for students. To unlock students' accounts, simply click on the Unlock Account button. To reset an individual student's account, simply search for the student's name, NRIC, or PIN number. To reset the accounts of a whole class, choose the class first, select all students in this class, and click on the Reset Password button. When a student's account is reset, the password will be a combination of a 4-digit randomized number and the last 6 characters of his or her NRIC or PIN number. The Reports tool allows you to generate various reports. Select the report you wish to generate from the drop-down menu. For most reports, there are 2 types available. The Aggregate Report option shows a consolidated summary of your student's activity. Depending on the report you select, you can choose the fields to be displayed. For each selected field, a drop-down will appear in the Report Filters section to pre-filter the report data. You can click on Number of Visits to list down the individual students that constitute the count. Alternatively, you can select the Individual option to generate the report data for individual students in the school. The fields shown for the individual report are predefined. You can proceed to filter using the drop-down menu or search by student name. You can show or hide report columns, filter the data, sort, and export the report you have generated. To sort the report table, click on the Sort By button. You can select up to 3 sorting options in either ascending or descending order. To export the report, click on the Export button. You can select varying file formats to suit your needs. For the PDF, Excel, and DocX formats, you will have the option to include a chart in your report. As a class administrator, you can access valuable reports that provide insight to your students' needs and preferences. If you are a primary school educator, you will be able to access the Career Quest game reports. If you are a secondary school educator, you will be able to make use of the Students' Poly or ITE course cluster report to gain more insight into your students' preferences. School administrators can also access My School's ECG Experience Report. If you're a school administrator, here are 2 other important tools for you. They are My Goals Admin and ECG Experience Module. My Goals Admin allows you to create customized goal-setting templates for students to record their academic and non-academic goals. You can add, view, edit, delete, publish or unpublish goal-setting templates for your school. You can also select a base template for different academic levels. A new goal-setting template form will be populated based on the base template you select. You can customize the goal-setting template based on your school's needs and click on Save Template to save your changes. Preview Template allows you to view the template that you have created and saved. After verifying that everything is in order on the preview page, click on the Publish Template button to publish the template. After the template is published, students will be able to access the new goal-setting template. If you want to view or edit the created goal-setting template, click on the Edit icon. The selected goal-setting template will be displayed for editing. To publish an existing goal-setting template under the Manage Goal-Setting Templates page, simply select the template and click on the Publish icon. To remove students' access to an existing goal-setting template, click on the Unpublish icon. You can also delete a goal-setting template by clicking on the Delete icon. You can refer to the user guides under Help on how to customize and edit the goal-setting templates. The ECG Experiences module allows school administrators to view, search, and reserve ECG experiences. To begin, click on Reserve ECG Experiences. You can search for ECG experiences by typing in keywords or filtering the list by registration type, organization type, and industry. To reserve an ECG experience, click on the Reserve icon. An ECG Experience reservation form will be displayed. To ensure the ECG partner is available, please check the date of your school's event against speaker available period or session before reserving an ECG experience. Click on the Reserve button. You will see the Reserve ECG Experience detail page. Click on the Make Reservation button after you have amended and confirmed the information. ECG partners will receive an email notification indicating your reservation. You will see a confirmation message if your reservation is successful. Otherwise, you will receive a prompt to inform you that the selected ECG experience is not available. If your reservation is successful, you can see your reservation under the ECG Experience Reservation List page. You can search or filter ECG experiences by year, school, registration type, organization type, and industry. To sort the list, simply click on the arrows to display the fields by ascending or descending order. Select an ECG experience that you wish to update or cancel by clicking on Event Name or the Edit icon. After updating the relevant fields, click on Save Reservation. Please note that the ECG partner reserves the right to cancel the ECG experience reservation. They will contact you directly in the event of a cancellation. Similarly, please note that the latest possible period for school administrators to cancel their ECG experience reservation is 2 weeks prior to the event start date. You have just explored 2 features for class administrators and another 2 features for school administrators under Administrative Tools on MySkillsFuture. Class administrators can access account management and reports. In addition to these tools, school administrators can also access My Goals Admin and ECG Experiences module. You can refer to the user guides under Help on MySkillsFuture to find out more about these tools. We hope you will find administrative tools on MySkillsFuture useful for the planning of your school's ECG activities.